welcome to my presentation, School Analytics using Digital Analytics to Grow Your Business. And my name is Kek Tung, and today I work through how Google Analytics help business grow by understanding user behavior. We're going to look at Digital Analytics is how Google Analytics works and how it set it up for our website. So let's get started. And this is our content today. We go through digital analytics, using digital analytics in the business, how Google Analytics work, and 15 terms and definition you should know about Google Analytics, creating a Google Analytics account, and connecting Google Analytics to your website. First one, talk about digital analytics. Beef analytics. So before we go deeply into the platform Google Analytics, we need to understand digital analytics. Digital analytics is simply the practice of connecting the interpreting data how users interact with your website. Without analytics, business rely on good feeling, and that usually leads to wasted money, wasted time, and confused the decision making. So, but with analytics, you can clearly see what's working, what's not, and where your abilities are. So, so analytic answer three critical questions for any business. What okay, where does your traffic come from? How do users behave on your site, and what actually leads to conversions? Imagine running ads for a quick but not knowing which one brought real customer. With analytics, you no longer guess, you know exactly which campaign drives result. Next, talk about using digital analytics to grow your business. Good Analytics provides a dashboard where you can quickly track the performance. For example, like organic search, paid ads, email, social media, and more. A simple example, if your website gets strong traffic from organic search but low engagement, that signals you may need better content. If paid ad brings fewer but more valuable users, you know where to invest, right? And organic search is six component. Talk about traffic source. There are six common traffic sources. First one, organic search, high intent user actively looking for solution. Paid search, target traffic from ads. Direct, people already familiar with your brand. Social, curiosity-based visitor from platforms like Facebook or TikTok. Referral, traffic from other websites that just mention you. Email, usually loyal and returning customer. So understanding this helps you tailor your marketing strategy more effectively. Talk about referral device and e-commerce insights. Referral reports show exactly which websites send visitors to you. Very useful if you work with partners and publish content elsewhere. Device reports show whether your audience prefers mobile, desktop, or tablet. Example: if 80% of users are on mobile, but your layout only looks good on desktop, you're losing the conversion. So if you run on e-commerce, Google Analytics also highlight product views, registration, purchases, and customer behavior. All these insights can be viewed over specific time periods to check the trends. So how Google Analytics works? It adds a small tracking code to your website. So this code plays a cookie and tracks user actions from where they came from to what pages they have visited. It works across all devices and identifies the channels user come from: Google Search, Facebook, Instagram, email campaigns, or external sites. Google Analytics also collects the audience insights such as interests, languages, locations, and sometimes age and gender when available. Most importantly, it captures behavior, which pages users visit, how long they stay, and where they drop off in conversion funnel. And of course, Google Analytics does not direct collect personally identifiable information, so everything is anonymized. Next, to use Google Analytics effectively, here are some essential terms for you. Our the business. First one is page views is total number of page viewed. Unique page views counts duplicates from same section. Time on page, how long users spend on a page. Sections, the full journey a user takes in one visit. User, unique people visiting your site. New versus returning users helps measure loyalty. Hit, individuals, interaction checked by Google Analytics. This form the foundation of understanding Google Analytics reports. And let's talk about the term. Landing page, the first page user sees. Segments allow you compare different groups. For example, like gamers versus TikTok user. Pause rate, percentage of users who leave after one page. Content, all the pages and media on your site. Direct traffic, type URL or bookmarks. Referral traffic from other sites. Website, events, specific action like clicks or form submissions. Goals, key conversions like signups or purchases. To create a Google Analytics account, start by signing in your Google account. Then create a new Analytics account, name it, and choose your update preferences. You can enable or disable data sharing, benchmarking, and support options. These settings don't affect tracking accuracy, but just help Google personalize the recommendation. Step 2, property setup. Next is the property setup. You need to set your country, your time zone, select your currency, choose an industry category, and choose your business size. So the time zone affects the reporting accuracy, but the currency affects the e-commerce tracking. Next, to step number 3, you should what you want to track. So then you tell Google Analytics what you plan to use it for, website tracking, user engagement, conversions, or marketing optimization, etc. If your site involves selling products, you can enable e-commerce. If you generate leads, enable lead tracking. This helps Google Analytics recommend better insights later. And the final step in creating the Google Analytics account. Yes, this is the final step. The last step is simply accepting the terms of service. When you click accept, your account is created. You then see your new priority options for integrating Google Analytics with your website, either through the Google Tag Manager or manual installation. So how you connect Google Analytics to your website? Now, this is account is ready, right? Let's connect it to your website. Go to admin to set our assistant and install tag. You install it on any platform like Postgres, Shopify, Wix, or custom website. This code is the same. The only difference is where you paste it. Okay, where you paste it. And for most modern platforms, you only need the measurement ID. WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and many others allow you to simply paste the ID into the setting fields. Once you save it, your website will immediately start sending data to Google Analytics. And the last one is about the manual installation for custom sites. However, if your website doesn't support a measurement ID field, you need to paste the full HTML tracking script into the head section manually. This step is a bit more technical, but many people ask a developer to do it so because editing team files can break your site if done incorrectly. So by once installed, Google Analytics begins collecting the traffic and behavior data right away. And that is all my presentation. And thank you for your listening.